Hello students, I hope you all are fine. So today we are going to continue with your half yearly syllabus. Now we am going to start with the top chapter, that is the electoral politics, that is in the chapter 4. Now let's go through the points. Now assembly election in Haryana. So I will discuss a story of Haryana in this part. So basically there was a Congress party who was ruling Haryana since 1982, and there was a opposition party which was led by Chaudhry Devilal, and his party's name was your Lok Dal party. So this was the two parties which was facing each other in the struggle of election. So in this party, you can say Lok Dal party was basically the struggle for justice, and it was also known as Naya Dal or Naya Youth. So this was the concept, basic concept. So I am going through the story. So the state ruled Congress party led government since 1982. Chaudhry Devilal, then an opposition leader, led a movement called Naya Youth, that is a struggle for justice, and formed a new party that is known as Lok Dal. His party joined opposition parties in front against the Congress. Okay, in the election. In the election campaign, Devilal said that if the party owned his elections, he would waive the loans of the farmers and the small businessmen. So this was his promise for the small farmers and the businessmen. He would promise that he would be the first action of his government. So he promised that he would act according to his promises if he wins the election. So the people were unhappy with the existing form of government, that is the Congress party. They were also attracted to Devilal's promise, and so when the elections were held, they voted overwhelmingly in favor of Devilal, okay, or Lok Dal parties and its allies. Lok Dal and his partners won 76 out of 90 seats in a state assembly. So Lok Dal party won 76 seats out of 90 seats. Lok Dal alone won 60 seats and thus had a clear majority in the assembly. The Congress win only 5 seats. So Lok Dal win 76 seats. So once the election results were announced, the sitting chief minister resigned, the sitting chief CM resigned, and the newly elected members of the legislative assemblies, that is the MLAs of the Lok Dal, chose Devilal as their leader. So Devilal was chosen as a leader. So he was chosen as the new chief minister. Okay. These 3 days after the election was declared, he became the chief minister. As soon as he became the chief minister, his government issued a government of order waiving the outstanding loans of the small farmers, agricultural laborers, and small businessmen. So he was fulfilling his promises. Okay. His party ruled the state for 4 years. So his parties ruled the state for 4 years. The next election was held in 1991, but this time his party did not win popular support, and the Congress won the election, formed the government. Then after 4 years, the Congress won the election and formed the government. So this was a story of Haryana.